Starting with clean skin, I soaped my brows as flat as possible and went in with a rose concealer, and then I powdered that using RCMA powder and dust away. And then I went over with my normal makeup, so that was just a bit of eyebrow blocking. So this is a Mist Air, a metallic green mixed with a bit of brown to try and make it a bit more khaki dark. Just going around the perimeters of my face and chest, and then going in with the white in the centre, just to add a bit of dimension and shape to this kind of creature character like. And then using the same product with an airbrush, going around the edges to blend the edges so it's not a harsh line. And then obviously elongating the eyeshadow as well, making better contours. And then I changed the airbrush setting so it did more fine detailing, and tried to just do some wiggle, kind of, not veins as such, but yeah, wiggle patterns just through the white. And I'll do it on the chest and I'll do it around the head. Just wiggling the airbrush, no real technique with doing this really, just trying to keep close, trying to control the airbrush to not give out too much product at once. Just kind of go in with where I feel it needs some texture into the paint. Sometimes I'll go over it if I feel like I've not done it strong enough. I've gone around the mouth just to soften the mouth. So then now going in with the black Mist Air airbrush paint and go around the contours even more, making it a darker character look. Also adding veining kind of texture patterning throughout. Darkening the eye area, darkening contours. And then reduce the airbrush down again to finer details, going over some of the green areas and also in the gaps. Just doing it until I feel that I'm a bit happier with it. So then I use a stencil and a gold and white mix of airbrush paint by Mist Air, and I'm using spiritual geometry kind of patterns. That's because obviously it's to go with the whole mother vibe, mother nature vibe. Also using Mouth Effects in blue because I felt like it needed a contrasting colour. And so I also mix a blue with a bit of brown to make a, no, it's a bit of black actually, just to make a more of a navy dark blue to kind of match the effects in the mouth as well. I tried to just do a few drops under the eye, obviously avoiding the eye, letting it drip down as if it's tears. Keep layering that up so it really runs. And I painted a world on my hand, just to kind of play on the fact it's a mother nature and worldly kind of makeup. Just a bit of a random fun again. Quite simple and effective. The contact lenses work really well with this look as well. The headdress I made for another design a few years ago just worked well with this look. And then when the lights went out, it looked quite spooky, so I had to do a little video clip of that. I thought it was quite funky. My face looks so wide and stretched and really horror character-like. I really liked it. It was really fun.